What's up, beautiful babes? Your girl, Sweet Angel. I know you're wondering, like, girl, what do you have in your face? Is it egg? What is it? Well, I am going to share with you what this wonderful recipe is. I tried it one time, and honey, I'm back again for some more. But before we get into the goodies, why don't y'all go ahead and do your girl a favor and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you watch the video all the way to the end. Yes, and please make sure you hit the post notification bell, turn your notifications on to all, and that way you'll be in the know each and every time I got something great for you. Now, let me share with you what's on my face today. So what I've whipped up is a homemade natural facial skin tightener. Now, the main ingredient here, component that you'll definitely need, is gelatin. This is just the original unflavored gelatin by Knox. Now you can get whatever variation of this that you can find, but again, unflavored. You don't want the red kind or blue kind or anything like that. Gelatin actually is a great way to tighten skin and remove blackheads in one stroke. Gelatin is a form of collagen. Did you know that? Gelatin is a form of collagen that is used in many things, but you are probably most familiar with it used as a dessert. There are unflavored, translucent kinds of gelatin, and that is what I have here. Of course, it's a powder that you can use as a budget skin tightener. They typically come in a packet of 5. I got a nice box from Amazon, of course, because I use gelatin a lot. It just depends on the brand, and you only need to use one at a time for a substitute for commercial deep cleaning pore strips. Okay, now what I did here, I took my little heating plate. Of course, I got this from Amazon. It's very convenient, and I like it better than the microwave because the microwave will tend to get my ingredients too hot. So I just took a couple of tablespoons of milk in my bowl here and heated it up. You can, again, use it in the microwave, or you can get your heating plate or whatever you have to heat it up in a pot on the stove, however you need to do it. And I poured in one of the packets of the unflavored gelatin, and you just simply stir it until you get a sticky mess. You can use water instead of milk, but the lactic acid in the milk is a natural exfoliant, so you might want to rethink that, okay? Continue to stir it again until it becomes very sticky, and then apply it to your face. Make sure you avoid your eyes and your eyebrows and your hairline because it can carry off your hair, okay? And do this in an even layer using like a spatula if you have it, a popsicle stick. I have this little brush that I use with just about every face mask or treatment that I have. You have to move quickly as the gel sets pretty fast as it cools, so get to it real quickly. Go for kind of a medium thick layer for easy peeling because this is a peel off mask, and we're going to leave it on 10 minutes or more until it actually sets. And once it sets, you're just going to peel it off carefully. Now, the skin will be a little sensitive and maybe slightly red once you peel this off, so it's best that you definitely stay indoors without makeup until your skin feels normal again. All right, beautiful babes, I am back. It actually has been longer than 10 minutes. Girl, I tried to eat me some breakfast. Did that work? No, because I can't hardly open my mouth. It's too crazy, but it's so tight right now. Oh my gosh, my face is just like tight. So now it's time to try to pull this off. Although I look crazy. Ooh, I look crazy. But I'm going to try to start pulling it and bringing it upward. So it may not completely work out the way I want it to, because I really wish I could just take it off in a whole sheet. But I know that's not going to happen. So I'm just going to take it and do the best I can. Just going to stretch it loose. Ooh, I can't even. Oh my. There's a couple of spots that did not dry completely because I guess I put it on too heavy, which is here, and I think one piece under my chin, but other than that, I think the rest of it is pretty dry. Here we go. But again, gelatin will help to tighten the skin, and also it's going to help to remove blackheads. This is a 2-in-1 mask that you definitely want to put in your regimen for upcoming uses. Use this as often as you like. These ingredients are pretty gentle, but again, you don't want to overdo it, because again, this is a mask that's going to help to also pull away some dead skin cells. This face mask is also very good if you have dry, rough facial skin. The gelatin is also going to help act as a cleansing agent, and the milk is also going to moisturize and smooth your skin. Now, I don't recommend this every single day, probably about 1 to 2 times a week. Now, if you have extra sensitive skin, you should definitely be careful when using this face mask. You don't want to irritate your skin. This mask is going to help smooth and also strengthen your skin. Now, gelatin is a potent protein that promotes glowing skin, strengthens joints, hair, and nails, and it also improves your gut health and aids in sleep if taken internally. But it has some amazing effects when applied topically as well. Now, in the process of cleansing and tightening and removing blackheads, you know that there's a possibility that it's going to also get rid of hair on your face too. So when you pull this off, get ready for it. Well, that's all I can actually peel off. The rest I'm going to go ahead and rinse off my face and around my hairline here, and go ahead and use my new serum that I have to help with further tightening. So I'll be back. I'm going to rinse my face and let you see what it looks like. So this is my skin now, and I love the way it feels. Man, if you're looking to get rid of some facial hair, that will definitely do it. Oh my goodness. Now, my skin is probably more sensitive right now, so no getting out in the sun. I'm going to go ahead and put on my serum to help further tighten those pores in my skin, but moisturize it as well. Oh my goodness, honey. Well, there she is. Beautiful babes. You need to try that mask. Very easy, gelatin and milk. Very simple, okay? And honey, look. All right, beautiful babes, that is it for today's wonderful mask. Skin tightening, blackhead removing, nourishing, smooth, silky skin. It's on its way for you. Absolutely. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you drop a like on it. If you have not subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. What are you waiting on? I don't know. It's free. So go ahead and do it. And hit the post notification bell. Tap the notifications to all. And that way you'll be notified each and every time I upload. And I will see y'all on the next video. But don't forget to tell everybody why you're looking so cute. So please share me with your world, and I will see you and you on the next video. Bye-bye.
See a woman of power, wild and free. Through all the struggles, through all the pain, you rise above, you own your name. They tried to dim your light, but you